All right, so I need another program. We're going to install Visual Studio Code real quick. So, pretty simple, just like the other ones have been. Click on the old download page. I want to keep that, please. Thank you. All right. Pretty good. Pretty good program. Okay, so let's go over to the terminal. And then it's just as easy as sudo dpkg I, and then it should be lowercase. There we go. Put in your password. And there we go. All right. Let's load it up. Programming, Visual Studio Code. Cool. I'm good with that one. I don't need any more. Alright, whatever. Let's open a folder. Let's go into Documents and create a new folder. I'm gonna name it Code Stuff. Okay, open. Alright, let's open a terminal in here. I just that's me, bud. So yes, please. Thank you. Crank the terminal open real quick. And let's check. Oh. Whoops. Did I not do that right? Let me get the window a little bigger. Whatever. Come on, get out of here. Oh, I'm sorry. I forgot the parentheses. Whatever. Okay, so we got Python. Good enough. Let's open a new file. And we'll do. Having troubles typing this morning. Create a new file and code stuff. Thank you. Could have just did it over here, but that's all right. Yes, let's install the stuff. The extensions are very great. The more the merrier, unless you're remote debugging, and then it can cause some issues, but you know. Install. I don't need to create a Python file. Got it right here. What? Open twice. Go away. Go away, welcome screen. Alright, whatever. Let's write some code. Oh. Oh crap, we should be able to just hit play. There we go. It's as easy as that. Thanks for watching. I mean, we can hit some breakpoints if you want. Oh. There we go. Gotta run and debug. Anyway, there we go. See, we're stopped on that one. And then we can step into. There we go, it's on the screen. And then we can step into the next one. There we go, and it exited because that's all it is. Well, anyway, thanks for watching.